Here's a small American Standard unit at a friend's house. Nice unit. It's pretty reliable. It just got repaired and had a Freon leak. So, it's running good now though. It's raining out here, as you can probably tell. My second line clean, sweaty, the liquid line's not out there. It is a standard manufactured in June of '03. And it is a 23,000 BTU 2-ton with 3 pounds 6 ounces of R22. And it's got a Climate-Tough reciprocating compressor. It's from coils. Disconnect. Side of the house. The house was renovated in 2003, and this was just installed then. There's no central air before because this house was built in the 30s. It's like 1,100 square feet, and then there's a basement, so that's basically unfinished. So 1,100 square feet of cooled space. This is tied into an old Janitrol 80% efficient gas furnace. It's pretty quiet. Alright, 2003 2-ton American Standard unit, 10 sealed. Thanks for watching. And this vent here comes from the furnace and goes upstairs. It's the kind of finished room in the basement. Here's the Goodman furnace. Hold on, let me turn this off for you. There's the dehumidifier off. Here it is. It's a Goodman Janitrol unit, base model. 80% efficient, 60,000 BTUs. There's the draft reducer, 20,000 BTU burners, gas valve, and pressure switch. And again. Yep, this is from around 2003. The house was renovated, this was all installed. And this run goes to the front there. And then this run is supply for upstairs. Because upstairs is only 2 small bedrooms and a small bathroom, so it's not big. Upstairs is maybe 300 square feet. That's small. That's the furnace. And here is, that's where the old furnace was. Here's the rear view. And these two join up and go into the chimney. The chimney goes out. It's an old brick chimney. The house was built in the 30s. Here is the AC line set. It goes right out there. The AC is right up there. And that's about it. So thanks for watching.